Hey guys, in this quick tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can unfollow people who don't follow you on Instagram. The steps are really simple and easy, so let's get started. First of all, you need to open up your Instagram app. Once you're here, go to Profile on the bottom right corner. From here, you can see that I have less followers than I'm following. So what you need to do is tap on Following. So in order to find out who is following you back, you can scroll through your following list and select an account. So to show you guys, I'll search and go to an account. And here, as you can see, I'm following this account. Now, I'll tap on their following list. From here, I'll tap on the search bar and search for my own name. And as you can see, it is not here. No users found with my name. So this is how you can tell if someone is following you or not. So since this person is not following me back, I can go back to their profile and tap on Following. After that, I'll tap on Unfollow. And as you can see, I've now unfollowed this person. So this is how you can unfollow people who don't follow you on Instagram. There are some third-party apps that can do this, but we will not recommend those apps because you have to give them permission to access your Instagram account. And this is the safest way to do this. So this is how you can unfollow people who don't follow you on Instagram.